Hey guys, I wanted to make a demonstration video on how to open the side door and remove it from the GoPro Hero 7. I'm sure this works on similar models, the 5 and the 6, but today I'm working with the 7, so I wanted to show you how to do that. So as you notice at the bottom, you have the battery and the SD card slot, and that just slides forward. But on the side of the GoPro is a little door here that houses the micro USB and the HDMI out port. And so there could be occasions where you want to remove that door to use it in a filming cage, or maybe you're going to hook it up to a drone, or maybe you just want to run a constant power supply to it and have that door removed. So this is how you go about removing that door. So first, you want to take your finger and slide down on the door and open it like this, okay? And once it's open, all you need to do is get your fingers down in here and twist to the right, and that door will pop right off, just like that. Now, like I said before, there could be several applications where you might want to use these ports without the door, and so removing it makes it a little bit easier. Now, in reverse, to put the door back on, you need to make sure that the tab on this is open. It's slid forward just like this, and so you can see the little groove right here that fits back onto the bar inside the camera. So let's go ahead and reattach that now. So you slide that clip onto the bar, you can hear it snap, and it's attached. And then you can close it, and there it is. You're good to go. That is how you take off the door and reattach to the GoPro Hero 7. Thanks for watching, guys.